Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna share with you what I eat in a day. You have to excuse my face. I've been running up and down the stairs, so a little hot right now. So let me show you the food I'm eating. I couldn't eat it all, so this is what I have left, but it was really good. I had a mini meatloaf, spinach, 3 ounces of salmon, and some cauliflower mashed potatoes. It was really, really good. So that's what I have eaten so far today. I plan to have a snack, which is going to be 1 boiled egg, and then I'm done. So I probably will have the boiled egg in probably another hour or so. Thank you for watching what I eat in a day. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.